Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of 30 credit tips in 30 days. Now, today we're going to talk about how to protect your credit against fraud. Now, this is going to be important because if someone gets a hold of your personal identifying information, they could open up fraudulent accounts in your name, pile up a lot of debt, and cause your credit score to suffer. In 2021, the Federal Trade Commission stats show that there were 1.4 million identity theft reports. Now, one way to protect your credit from fraud is by going to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax and place a credit freeze on their websites, which is 100% free. TransUnion credit freeze will require you to make a 6-digit PIN, so make sure it's something that you can remember because you'll definitely need it later on. Now, keep in mind, anytime you are not actively using your credit, you want to place a freeze with the 3 barrels because it automatically denies credit applications in your name. Now, if you like this type of content, please like, share, and follow for more tips.